Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about India and Iran and the strategic importance of Chabahar port. And this session is important for GS2 perspective. As you already know that India does not share cordial relationship between Pakistan, and because of that it's very important to have a cordial relationship between the India and Iran, because Iran is the place and Iran is the country which will provide access to the other countries for India. So that's why it's very important to have a strategic relationship between India and Iran, because which will provide benefit, economic benefit, the political benefit and social benefit not just to India but also to Iran and other neighboring countries. So moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss a brief thing about Chabahar, and then we are going to discuss India's stakes at Chabahar, and after that we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So what had happened yesterday? India and Iran signed a 10-year contract on Monday for the operation of the terminal at the strategically important Chabahar port. And where it is located? So it is located in Iran. So why this particular project is being discussed and why it is important to India as well as for Iran? Because in the previous session we have seen that there is a short-term investment and there is a short-term strategic relationship between India and Iran. But this time this is the 10-year contract. So this is a long-term year contract. That's why this project becomes important, because India is economically investing into this project. So this is the news we are going to discuss in today's session. Then coming to the next one. Next one is about Chabahar port. So Chabahar is in Iran's only oceanic port, and it is situated in Sistan and Balochistan province of the Makran coast. And there are two main ports in Chabahar. The first is Shahid Kalantari and the second is Shahid Beheshti port. And Shahid Kalantari port was developed in 1980s, and Iran had offered India the project of developing the Shahid Beheshti port, and India has also received this offer in a very well manner, and that's why for the development of Shahid Beheshti port, India has contributed a lot. It means that strategically also and economically also. And then India is also a part of international north-south transport corridor, so which not just include the Iran and India, it also include the European countries and Central Asian countries. And what is this international north-south transport corridor? It is a multimodal transportation project linking the Indian Ocean and Persian Gulf to the Caspian Sea via Iran and onwards to the northern Europe via St. Petersburg in Russia. So because of that, we can see that not just India and Iran are stakeholders to this project. The European countries and especially the Central Asian countries are also part of this particular project. So this is a brief about Chabahar port. Let's understand Chabahar port through map. So this is the Arabian Sea and this is the Chabahar port, and here this is the Gujarat port Kandla. Here there is a Mumbai. So when we have to go to these countries, suppose that if Indian has to go to the Afghanistan, so they have to also always go through Pakistan, because this is the land route Pakistan provides to Afghanistan. But as you already know that we don't share much cordial relationship between Pakistan, and sometimes Pakistan close this route, and right now it's also closed. So because of that there are lots of difficulty in trade and development. So India had decided that it will find an alternative route, and here through Chabahar port it reaches like this. So this is the route. An alternative route has been developed, and this is the Gulf of Oman. So it is located in Gulf of Oman. Chabahar port is located in Gulf of Oman. So this is, you can see that how India has developed an alternative route, not just to the Afghanistan, but to the Iran, but to the other Central Asian countries and also to the Europe. So this is the mapping of the Chabahar port. Coming to the next one. Next one is about the project. So Union Minister, Shipping, Ports and Waterways Sarabnanda Sonewal witnessed the signing of contract between India and Iran, and this is the sign of the two things: the India Ports Global Limited, two companies, and also the Ports and Maritime Organization of Iran in Tehran. So this what is the duration? So I have already told you that duration is of the 10 years. And what will happen into this, that IPGL, it means that India Port Global Limited will invest approximately $120 million to equip and operate the port for the duration of the contract, and duration is 10 years. And also the two sides will further extend their cooperation. If it goes well, they can also extend their cooperation to each other. And India has also offered a credit window in rupees equivalent to $250 million for mutually identified projects to improve the situations and the infrastructures related to the Chabahar, and this is the mutually identified projects between the India and Iran. So this is about the project that India is investing economically into the project, for the development of the project, for the infrastructure improvement of the project, which will not just benefit India but also to Iran and other Central Asian countries. Then coming to the next one is about the significance of this particular project. So the first significance is that it will provide alternative trade routes. So in the mapping session, I have already told you that how it will provide alternative trade route, because we don't share cordial relationship between India and Pakistan, and because of that there should be an alternative trade route needed, and India has developed, and with the help of Iran, India has able to get this alternative trade route, so that India's trade and commerce can reach to the other countries, and India can also exchange their knowledge to other countries. Then the second one is the economic benefits. So it is interrelated to this thing, because if you will develop alternative trade routes, then definitely there will be the economic benefits not just to India but to the other countries. So the Indian products will reach to the Iran, Afghanistan, other Central Asian countries, and Europe also. So it will provide economic benefits to the India. Then humanitarian assistance. So in the COVID time, we have seen that India has provided humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan and other countries. So because of this trade route only, and with the help of these kind of thing, India is able to provide humanitarian assistance to other countries. Then strategic influence, because it will diminish, and India will have a stronghold into the Indian Ocean, and it will also diminish the rising power of other countries into the Indian Ocean. So because of that, it has also strategic influence. So these are the significance of Chabahar port for India. Then coming to the question round. So the question is very much simple today, and I have already discussed that where Chabahar port is located. So here we are discussing about the water bodies. So you have to answer this into the comment section. Your options are Gulf of Oman, Gulf of Aden, Gulf of Aqaba, Persian Gulf. So you have to answer this in the comment section, and you have to also look for the mapping of the Chabahar port, because whenever the question in examination will come related to Chabahar port and how India has improved its relationship with Iran, then if you will draw the map of Chabahar port, it will have another impact. So you must know the map, that which country is near to Chabahar port, where it is located, whether it is near to Gulf of Oman or Gulf of Aden. So you have to find out in Indian Ocean what is the strategic importance of Chabahar port. So you have to also do homework for all these things. So I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to the session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.